Hey everyone, this is Jose, and I'm talking to my buyers who are on the fence waiting for prices to come down. Now, this is a little bit of a sanity check. I know there's plenty of videos out there that say prices are going to fall, the sky is falling, and they're waiting for the market to crash. Well, this is the other side of that coin. This is US median home prices over the last 30 years. Just ran these numbers today. This is coming from the St. Louis Fed. So these are not numbers I cooked up. This is literally a graph that I got from the St. Louis Fed website. So if you see here in the 1994s, prices were around $120,000, a little bit more. Today, median home prices, even coming down a little bit, are at $400,000, a little bit more than that. So what does that mean? Let's put it into perspective of renters versus buyers. If a buyer bought a house 30 years ago, his house is worth three times more than what he paid for it. Same, their neighbor who was a renter rented for 30 years. They're still renting. They don't have an asset. Maybe they invested in stock and maybe they were able to get appreciation that way. That's a possibility. But if they did not, if they did not save, if they simply rented and rented and rented, they don't have anything to show for it, and they're still going to have to pay rents into the near and long term future. The person that owns a home after 30 years, if they did not refinance and take cash out, they're done paying their mortgage. They now live free and clear in the house for the rest of their lives, potentially leaving the house to their children and passing wealth on to the next generation. So, what does that mean for you and me? What it means is you have to make a choice. Do you want to make a choice that increases your personal wealth and potentially the wealth of your children and grandchildren? Or do you want to live moment to moment waiting for that magic number so then you can buy a home? If you're ready to buy a home now, give me a call 352-405-1037. If you still want to wait, I respect that. Just keep in mind, prices may continue to go up, even though you're still waiting for that magic price. Enjoy this beautiful day.